Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL OT11, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this tablet. Now before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will be something similar looking to this one, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, extend out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. And once you have either one of those, you can then pop out a tray, which is located on the same side where you have your charging port. It's right here, this little cutout, and in that cutout you have a tiny little hole. So grab your little tool, plop it in there, and then push it in. And you can see once you push it in, the tray pops out, enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. Now when pulling out the tray, it needs to be flipped to the other side, and then you want to plop in your cards on here, like so. Make sure that these cards are laying flush on the tray, as you can see, but be careful there's nothing holding them in place. And next you want to insert it back into the device. Now because we are holding this tray upside down, we now need to also flip the tablet. So there we go. Now be careful when inserting those cards. Like I said, there's nothing holding them in place, so they could come out loose. So if they're not going in there easily, just maybe pull it out a bit, see if everything is still in place, and then try again. And once you insert it into your device, these cards should start working right away. As you can see, my SIM card is already being detected, as it's prompting me to verify my SIM card PIN. And it's looking for reception, which you could have seen somewhere here. And SD card should be working as well. And yep, there it is, Samsung SD card. So we also have a notification regarding the SD card. So there we go. That is how you'd insert your SIM and SD card into this tablet. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.